Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add open command prompt here option when press Shift plus right click. Type regedit. Right click run as administrator. Click yes to continue. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand directory. Click and expand background. Click and expand shell. Click and expand CMD. Click CMD. Rename hide based on velocity ID. Change to show instead of hide. Pop-up displays error renaming value. Right-click CMD, click permission. Click advanced. Click change. Type users. Click check names. Click OK. Check replace owner on subcontainers and objects. Click apply, OK. Select users. Check full control. Click apply, OK. Now try to rename hide based on velocity ID to show based on velocity ID. Press Shift plus right click. Click open command window here. Close and exit registry. Press Shift key plus right click. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.